many times we have seen that even after having the full voltage and putting the fan regulated to its maximum capacity, the fan doesn't move to its full capacity. Well, one of the main reason could be that the capacitor of the fan would have gotten weak. So it's time to change it. So let's explore today that how to change the capacitor of the fan. The regular capacitor that we use in our regular ceiling fan, this fan. Okay, so this is our fan capacitor of 2.50 MFD plus minus 5%, could be 5% up or down, with a alternating current voltage of 400, frequency of 50 Hz, and maximum temperature tolerable is 70 degree centigrade. Okay, so this is usually regular ratings for regular fan capacitors. So basically what happened is that in this ceiling fan, the capacitor has got weakened up. So the fan is not moving to its full speed. Like see, if I switch on the fan, okay, you can see this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is the maximum speed, okay. But even with the maximum speed, you can see the fan is not rotating to its full capacity. So it means that the capacitor has become a bit weak. So it's time to change the capacitor. Okay, now we need to check this, if this capacitor is it's in good condition or is it a dead capacitor. Because basically the capacitor which I'm gonna use, it's not a brand new capacitor which I have bought from any market or something. It was already with me and it's been years, I don't know, it wasn't just in stock with me in home. So there were two ways usually we can use a multimeter to check, but I know everyone doesn't have a multimeter in their home, so there's another way of checking whether it's dead or is it in working condition. Simply you have to just plug it in inside this over here, just plug it in. Okay, also plug in, just keep it on for some time and switch it off. Now basically it's short circuited, and if it makes a spark, it means it's in good shape, it's not dead. See, so there was a spark, it means it is in good shape, we can use it. 2 wires, wire 1, wire 2. So this one wire is going here inside, and the another one getting connected over here. This one. Actually, no current is there. Okay, and another we have to take out from here. So another one is this one. Unscrew this and take this out. And another point joining here. Take this thing out. And another wire of the capacitor, the top one is connected here. Through this, also take this one out. So top one gonna get connected to this one here, bottom one with this green and blue. VAC 50 Hz, 70 degrees. Now we're gonna replace this one. So the top one we're gonna fix it with this. Put over inside in this one. Bottom will this file will get connected to this one. So one wire got connected with these two, and another wire of the capacitor connected this one. Put it over here. Now screw this up. We'll now make sure we insulate this part and make sure this is tight. Okay. So I will put back the insulation, put a new insulation tape on this. So just make sure that this is completely insulated and this one is in position. Capacitor is in position. Now pull back this cap. Okay. Now check it. Different positions. First with one. Slowly increasing the speed. Four. And finally to maximum 5. Now the fan is moving with full speed. So we replace the right capacitor.